Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to add audio to your CapCut project. To do this, let's open CapCut. We need to add either our own music or audio or use what's already available in CapCut. To do this, find the Audio tab, click on it, and you'll see 5 different sections. If you click the Import button, you can select audio from your computer. This is how we select the audio we need and drag it to our timeline. There, and here you'll find the music we've selected as favorites. For this, you'll need to log into your account. Music that we can take directly from CapCut itself. It's curated based on season and what's currently popular. There are also sound effects you can use. I recommend checking both effects and music for copyright issues, as posting copyrighted music can get you a copyright strike. That's all. This has been with you. Goodbye, everyone.